The October 2015 rain event was considered the flood of the century that left a path of devastation. Williamsburg Regional Hospital was not spared, and administration was forced to suspend operations. In December 2016, the hospital opened its doors to a temporary facility that housed an emergency room, operating room, as well as a CT scanner and mobile digital X-ray. It was an achievement for the citizens who needed a medical facility nearby. In the meantime, negotiations to rebuild continued, and in July 2016, a new site for the hospital was announced. However, after 2 years of negotiating with Palmetto Health, now Prisma, and Lake City Community Hospital to build, talks ended in June. But that wasn't the end of the story. In November 2018, hospital CEO Sharon Poston announced they were meeting with another large hospital about building. And on February 22nd, MUSC announced in a press release the good news.
Hey, where's Chris?
Hey, y'all.
Oh, hey.
Love it.
Me too. Me too. Me too.
What you got there?
We have a press release.
Press release.
And what's it about?
MUSC. We have signed a letter of intent, as well as Lake City, to negotiate with MUSC to build a new hospital between the two cities.
How long has these negotiations been going on?
Gosh, when do we start?
Well, with MUSC, it hasn't been that long. It's probably been about six
months, maybe.
Maybe. But the whole process when we started with the other large hospital, that negotiation period was 2 years.
Right.
And then there was a little hiatus in between, and then now about 6 months, maybe not quite that much with MUSC.
Have you gone out and talked to the employees about it, staff?
We met with them this morning. I met with the physician. Sharon met with all the managers for all the departments of the hospital, and it's been well received, don't you think?
Yes. I've had people doing the hand pump, excited, yay, and people were running around. I've had my minister over in the Hannah area of South Carolina sent a text to me and said, "Is it true what I just read?" And I thought, what did you read? I mean, how could it have been something that he read already? And sure enough, it was all about the MUSC negotiations.
Awesome.
So we're excited.
We are.
Now, the press release says that the actual site has not been negotiated yet, but it is going to be in Williamsburg County, correct?
It will.
Okay, and it's going to be a 25-bed critical access.
That is what they're planning.
All right. So what do you think?
We're excited.
Wonderful.
We're really excited. I mean, this has been since 2015 quite an ordeal for all of us, for Sharon, for me, for Dr. Smith, for all the doctors, the nurses, the people who work here that have been so loyal to us and really lived through a lot to continue to provide health care for the fine people of Williamsburg County. We're just so happy that this has finally come to fruition.
And Dr. Gamble has been the holding together glue for all of this.
I think it's a team effort. Ms. Poston does her part, and I do my part, and we make good partners. And thank goodness for people like Dr. Smith and the folks on our board that have political connections that help us drive this forward. It makes a lot of difference.
Okay. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.